back in a bag. Yep, that's it. Here's my messy bench and all these bolts. I was digging through bolts the other day. And I needed some bolts, so I dumped them all out like this. And if you're not a regular to my channel, you probably don't know what the hell these bolts are. Bolts on ePay, as we like to call it. Here's a really nice muffler thing with bobber. I needed some bolts for the back end of it, so I managed to get some of this stuff. I don't remember what it's for. Some is just broken. Putting them all back in the bag. I found out I have this snap-on wrench. What is it? Is it snap-on? Yeah. I don't know what the number is, but it's a one that turns like this. You push it and you can move it. See, it goes like... It's actually pretty handy. I never knew I had it. Because I'm not really a wrench person. I never really wrench on stuff until I decided to destroy Hondas. Well, I've destroyed 2 Hondas and I put 2 back together. So tomorrow I will check the mail and see what the rest of my Honda parts are. There we go. What is this? Junk. Springs and bolts. Spark plugs. Get extra spark plug. These little balls here are for the steering column. It's funny how, I don't know, like because when I took these little balls out of the 2 steering columns I took apart, they were covered in grease. So how did these ones not get covered in grease? This is, I don't know what that is. There's a lot of interesting bolts in here. Just this and this. Why do I have this many bolts? Because when you're putting an old bike together and you keep breaking them and then you need replacement, it's good to buy multiple other ones. So somebody was selling an entire bag of bolts, so I got a whole bag full for under $1 million. Because if it's not under $1 million, what the hell's the point of buying it? I'm not doing a whole bench cleaning video. Because I'm not doing a bench cleaning video. I'm just doing that. That's it. Maybe I'll just open the door and start the car and start the bike and have fun with it. I should take out my jacks. Hold on. Stay tuned. I'll make another video. But anyway, you know what? I'll end this one here. I'll make another one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to type something. Click the like button. Smash the like button. Torch the like button. I don't know. Whatever. People are always like smash, like, torch. So, like. Thanks for watching.